Hey, I'm Roman. Here's your weekly Sentinel Algo Trading update covering all 4 live portfolios for the week of July 20th through 24th. Let's start with SLT1. The balance moved from $5,562 to $5,470, a pullback of about 1.65% this week. We're still up 5.51% since launch in April. Looking at individual instruments, GR40 and Gold both had a strong week, gaining $54 and $36 respectively. On the other side, EUR-JPY had its worst week on record for this portfolio, losing over $100, and Dow Jones also pulled back. This wasn't a calm week for markets. Iran struck an Amazon data center in Bahrain, oil pushed above $95 for the first time in 6 weeks, and Google's earnings reversed sharply after a soft third quarter guidance. That kind of volatility hits currency, and gold pairs the hardest, and you can see it directly in this week's numbers. Next, SAT-CAD, our entry-level fixed lot portfolio. Balance dipped slightly from $205 to $204, a small pullback of under $1. Since launch, we're still up 1.62%. A quiet week here, 6 new trades, nothing dramatic either way. SAT Gold Pro had a solid week. Balance moved from $771 to $773, a small but clean gain. We're now at 10.41% since launch. Still a small sample of trades, so I'm keeping expectations measured, but the trend continues in the right direction. Our newest combined portfolio had a tougher week. Balance went from $4,101 to $4,070, down about 0.76%. Gold contributed a small gain, but USDCAD had a rough stretch and pulled the account down. This is exactly the kind of week that tests the diversification thesis behind combining these two instruments, and we'll keep watching how the two sides offset each other over time. So what actually drove the markets this week? Iran struck an Amazon data center in Bahrain, escalating the conflict further, and Goldman Sachs put out a note warning oil could hit $120 if the situation continues. Oil already broke above $95 for the first time in 6 weeks. On the data side, US jobless claims came in at just 187,000, way below the 210,000 forecast, a sign the labor market stayed strong. That shift pushed the market's confidence in a July rate hold down from almost 90% to under 74%. Earnings season delivered mixed signals. Google beat on revenue but dropped nearly 5% after weaker cloud guidance. Tesla missed on margins, but Intel beat estimates and jumped 8% after hours. And on gold, historically, after a drawdown like the one we saw earlier this year, gold has rallied over the following 3 months and full year in 4 out of the last 4 similar cases. That's the full picture for this week. Links to all 4 portfolios, Bybit copy trading, MQL5 signals, and Myfxbook verification are in the description. See you next week.